Good morning. This is Karen Starr, Executive Vice President out of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce. And today we're here with Keesha, and Keesha is with K Starr Coaching. Good morning, Keesha.
Hey, how are you doing, Karen?
Please tell us a little bit about K Starr Coaching. What is K Starr Coaching?
That's a great question. Coaching is really kind of ambiguous these days, and so K Starr Coaching is focused specifically on leadership, in communication, anything on the people side of your teams, your businesses, and the people that you work with.
So do you focus mostly on businesses?
We do, actually. We focus mainly on business, either business owners or business leaders.
So if you've got a team out there and they might be struggling, this is a good time to call you, correct?
Absolutely. That is actually my jam. Those are the kind of people that I would love to talk to you and help with anything that you have on that line.
Yeah. Or maybe it's just you don't want them to struggle.
Actually, so what we found is that most people in leadership, we step into leadership because we are great at our job, right? We're great producers in that role. And then we step into leadership and we go, oh my goodness, I was never taught how to actually lead people and what that would look like. And so that's what I do, is I help you navigate all the stuff that goes along with actually leading people.
A lot of time management, I'm sure.
Yes, time management, communication, reducing turnover is actually a big thing that we work with, because that is such also a huge detriment to your bottom line if you have a lot of turnover in your business.
It's a lot of added expense, correct?
It is. It is. We actually save people on average around $15,000 to $25,000 just in 3 months, because when you think about how much goes into actually getting a new employee and training them and getting them on board, what if you didn't have to do that every so often?
And so your services are not $15,000 to $20,000 worth of services, correct?
No, you're not. That's the best part.
Yeah.
We do not charge that much. No, we actually have services that go everywhere from individual coaching all the way up to team coaching. So for instance, right now, our services for an individual one-to-one is $550 a month. So think about saving all the bottom line that you can save and only investing $550 a month to have that one-on-one personalized coaching. Definitely, it's a great investment.
That sounds like a really great deal. And I know folks that have used you and speak very highly of your services.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. We do enjoy it. The best part about what we do is that you'll find a lot of coaching agencies that have specific buckets that they expect everybody to fit into. As a boutique coaching business, we can take those buckets and shape them to exactly what you need. So you don't have to fit into a program that's for everybody. We can make something just for you.
Great. And I know a lot of people used to use the Myers-Briggs, but you don't use that, do you?
No, we don't actually. So we use several different tools. One of the ones we use is DISC. So I'm a simple person. D-I-S and C is easy for me to remember. And so try to make it easier for you as well. We also use things like the Enneagram. We work with different indicators in different areas. And one of our new proprietary tools that we use is called a Team Strength Indicator, a TSI. It's where you can find out where your strengths are as a leader and in your team, and then capitalize on those in the best way possible.
That's great. Now, how do people get up with you, Keesha?
Oh, that's the best part. It's really easy. So you can either go to my website, and that is just kstarcoaching.com. Star with 2 R's, don't forget. And then also you can call me, 844-257-8277 is my number, and you can call me or text me there. And then of course my email address, and that is Keesha@kstarcoaching.com.
Well, thank you, Keesha, for being on Faces of Commerce today.
Thank you.